What is the difference between investing and trading? Madalas kasi tinatanong sa akin, Coach Lady, paano ba mag-invest sa Forex? Guys, in Forex, we don't do investing. What we do is trading. Ha, di ba pares lang yun? No, magkaiba po yun. If you are investing, then you are more focused on the long-term gains. On the other hand, if you are trading, you are a trader, then you are more focused on the short-term gains. Ah, ganun pala yun. Ano po mga example nun? Investors are more likely to invest on stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, UITF, insurance, and government securities. While traders, they normally trade Forex, crypto, or arbitrage. Coach Lady, ano po mas okay dun? Saan mas profitable? There is no easy answer for this question because it depends on you or your financial situation. Ang trading po kasi is normally well-suited for those individuals who can grasp the market and know how they work. Yung mga traders are normally mga risk-tolerant yan. They don't get easily distracted when there are some dips in the market. Or kapag natatalo sila, they don't mind. And then, yung mga investor naman, normally sila po yung mga risk-averse. They are more focused sa capital preservation. They'd rather keep it for a long term and wait till the price gets appreciated. Coach, pwede bang parehas ako maging trader and investor? Absolutely yes. What I highly suggest is that you diversify your portfolio from low risk, medium risk, and high risk. If you are earning, what you can do is allot 20% from your income. And then, yung 20% na yun, hati-hatiin mo sa iba't ibang investing and trading vehicles. Say, for example, you are earning 100,000 and you're planning to invest your 20%, which is a 20,000. Yung 16,000 doon, i-allot mo for your conservative investment. You can put some sa time deposit for emergency fund. You can get mutual fund from banks, UITF, or Pag-ibig MP2, or insurance. You can also do stocks investing, like you buy blue chip companies regularly. And then your 4,000, pwede mo naman gamitin yan pang trade mo for Forex or crypto. So now your portfolio is well diversified. Investor ka na, trader ka pa.